What I'm going to show you here is the impact of what's commonly called a turbo nozzle. You'll hear it in a lot of different terms, but a turbo nozzle is good. So it takes the water and it rotates it. Same water, same pressure, designed for your machine. Again, we want to have the proper one for your unit, but the impact of cleaning, heavy cleaning, baked on mud, dried mud, grease, oil, cutting blades, and the ability to perform quicker and faster. Okay. So I'm going to use a piece of cardboard here as an example. We'll use a 4 gallon a minute 2000 psi pressure washer. We'll hit it with your regular nozzle that we use every day. Then we'll add a turbo nozzle and we'll get a little idea of the difference. So we don't wash a lot of cardboard, but you'll find this to be great on your difficult cleaning.